Bureau of Labor Statistics just recently put something out. There's going to be a need for up to 70,000 new electrical workers in our industry each year to the year of 2032. 6% increase, higher than any other classification that the Bureau of Labor Statistics track.
Kenny, along those lines, you and I have spent hours trying to really understand training. The generations today learn different than you and I learned. I think we're having some success, but I think we can get a lot better in some of these areas and really turn our training up a notch, because we need it desperately, especially as we go and get workers that we're not accustomed to having. How do we bring them on board? How do we get their skill set to where we need them to be for our contractors and for what an IBEW journeyman should be?
Yeah, you know, we're fortunate. We got Todd Staffer and his entire staff over at the Electrical Training Alliance. You know, we changed back to a 720-hour program. We did that intentionally to get more boots on the ground, to make sure we met the needs of the contractors out there. But reality is, we can't train fast enough to get those people on the jobs as journeymen, and me and you both realize that. So how do we bring those new people in and actually better enhance their opportunities to stay employed, to do the job the best they can, and make sure that we bring them up to our standards.
When we have management and labor, contractors and local union, in lockstep working together to try to gather every worker in that city coming into the ranks, going to work for our contractors, it's phenomenal the success that they're having. What I've seen now is a dynamic. We've gone from essential to critical, because with the amount of growth here in America, you know, whether it's manufacturing, whether it's ship plants, whether it's data centers, hospitals, whatever it is, customers need a reliable workforce, a reliable contracting force, and it's going to be very critical that we continue to bring more people into our industry faster than ever. We've been so accustomed to doing it one way, and you and I both know we can't do it that way. We have to do things completely different.
I set a million man or a million membership goal. We're at 850,536, the most we've had since 1970s. For the first time, we're seeing growth with all the new organizing policies, with your contractors buying in, understanding that we have to reach out, that we have to look at all disciplines to bring people into our industry and grab the people that's in our industry now, currently working, and make them IBEW members and employees of the NECA Contractors.
I guess for me, Kenny, you and I agree that we won't get a lot of things right. We will screw up a lot. But the one thing we will not be accused of is not doing something. Yep. That's what you and I are committed to. We have strategic planning sessions regularly trying to say, what do we do next? What does this look like?
Well, as our industry changes, as all these things change in the United States, we have to adapt to them. And that's why we sit down and talk about what's going on in our industry, how we help one another, how we move forward. We need you and you need us, and together we have that partnership that changes the industry for everyone.